The life cycle of stars. Have you ever looked at the night sky and wondered what happens to those tiny points of light? Stars may appear to be permanent, but every star has a beginning, a life, and eventually an ending. Here's the life cycle of a star in simple terms. 1. Stellar nebula. A star begins inside a huge cloud of gas and dust called a nebula. Gravity slowly pulls some of this material together. 2. Protostar. As the gas and dust gather, the material becomes hotter and denser, forming what is called a protostar. It is not yet a true star because nuclear fusion has not started. 3. Main sequence star. When the core becomes hot and dense enough, nuclear fusion begins. Hydrogen atoms combine to form helium, releasing enormous amounts of energy. The star now enters its longest stage, known as the main sequence. 4. Red giant or red supergiant. Eventually, the hydrogen in the core begins to run out. The star changes and expands. Smaller stars become red giants, while much more massive stars can become red supergiants. 5. The star's final stage. This is where the life cycle takes different paths depending on the star's mass. A star similar to our sun eventually sheds its outer layers, creating a beautiful planetary nebula. What remains becomes a white dwarf, which slowly cools over an extremely long period. A much more massive star can end its life in a spectacular supernova explosion, scattering material into space. 6. Neutron star or black hole. After a massive star explodes, its remaining core can collapse into an incredibly dense neutron star. If the original star was massive enough, the core may collapse even further and form a black hole. But the story does not necessarily end there. The material released by dying stars can become part of new clouds of gas and dust, which may eventually form new stars and planets. So in a way, stars are part of a cosmic cycle. They are born from the remains of earlier generations of stars, live for millions or billions of years, and eventually return material to space that can help create the next generation. Follow Evolve Quest for more fascinating facts about science, nature, and the world around us.